Allahumma in the Quran is used very rarely, 5 times in the Quran. You search the word Rabbana, Rabbi, Rabbi with a kasrah, hundreds of times in the Quran. Or over 100 times in the Quran. And this is the name of Allah, the only name of Allah you can attribute to yourself. That's one of the unique things about it. In the Quran, you never see the word Rahmani, my Rahman. You never see the word Ilahi, you never see it in the Quran. You never see Maliki, my King, you don't see it in the Quran. But you see Rabbi, my Rabb. You see Rabbana, our Rabb. Why is that? Because this is the most personal name of Allah. This is the name of Allah that is most close to you. And you can say, it's mine. Because He is your Lord. He is your caretaker. He is your nurturer. He looks after you when others have abandoned you. He's the one who provides for you when there's no one to provide for you. He is yours. And there's something beautiful in that. It's very different. If I talk about a team, 2 teams are playing football today. But it's very different when I say my team. Those are my boys. In my jersey, there's an attachment. There's a belonging. There's an intimacy. There's a closeness. And the only name of Allah that the prophets would call out to and they would attribute to themselves His name is Rabb. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana. As Ibrahim alayhi salam stands in the middle of an empty desert. And he builds block by block this Kaaba. Not knowing what is going to be the future of this land. What is going to happen to my wife and children? They are so alone. It is at this moment he asks Allah by His name, Ar-Rabb.